NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following influx of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the tremendous drain of space in quest for extremely valuable NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Atlas Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, arrange, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their novel resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Atlas games universe is tremendous, and players should go out on dejected, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outmaneuver different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction. In the game, players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations DAO to lead over specific regions. Players procure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game articles. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certifiable monetary benefit to support. Specialized investigation TAR is the examination of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for investigating the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and merchants utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized investigation is here and there established on verifiable information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to estimate what is probably going to occur. Star Atlas is as of now worth $7117 USD. Atlas has moved 114% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,806,868. Star Atlas is as of now positioned 456 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $110,268,037 USD. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Atlas cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $1.676. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.9964 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $854. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $17793. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14234 and a typical exchanging cost of $15657. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.2491 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.22775 and a low of $0.1351 in 2025. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.3227, with a base cost of $0.468 and a typical cost of $0.29892. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.03709 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.035585 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $39144. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $44126. On the off chance that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $46261. Neglecting to accumulate the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.4272. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $49819 and a yearly cost close above $53378 in 2029. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.56936 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.6495, averaging out at $0.05836. End. Current innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astonishing visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain innovation and digital currencies, yet in addition has every one of the traits that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Besides, the game can advance the broad reception of cryptographic forms of money due to its creative in-game plan, shocking designs, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive speculation, according to the most extreme cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem.